up to the powers that oppose.
This is a test of the Virginia. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you.
He knows you can audibly hear it.
Your home is 7,000 pounds. Become a vibrant
Chinese or Russian ships.
Real solutions for real people. Some people will be working twice as hard just to stay.
The civil authorities have issued.
Release the guilt, fear, and regret tied to your past.
To the Virginia Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information.
Connect with Judd Wilhite at Air One.
No, I believe that.
This is a test of the Virginia Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information.
Well, they like Riley Gaines anyway. Here's